from the spirals of, seashells of snails to the arrangement of petals on a flower, everything. One fascinating example of mathematical beauty is the golden ratio here, which is derived from this golden mean that appears repeatedly in nature designs. How? It is a special number of approximately equal to 1.6, its mathematical value is, and it is also known as divine proportion, which is golden mean. We find golden ratio when we divide a line into two parts so that the longer part, let's label it as A, divided by this shorter part, let's call it B, is equal to the whole length, which is divided by longer part. And this formula then we have is A divided by B, which is equals to A plus B, right? And then bracket closed, which is divided by A. This is how divine this verse is. So I'm not going into a mathematical depth, but I'm just trying to make you guys understand and make myself understand too that how divine meaning it acquires. And math is generated from Quran. Everything is every ilm, every study is generated from Quran. Later on, any researcher named that study by exploring that knowledge from Quran. After exploring that, they named that exploration by their names. So for example, how the golden ratio works, it is a rectangle, right? And if we made a line and make a square in this rectangle, the side of these squares are the same length as the shorter side, right, of this rectangle. So when you do this, what happens? You create another smaller rectangle. This process can continue forever, making a sequence of this rectangle, each following the golden ratio. Later on, an Italian mathematician, Fibonacci sequence, he named this by his name and called this sequence a Fibonacci sequence, which is merely his sequence. This is the sequence which is given by our Lord, Allah Azza